Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high.
Hi, it's me again, 2 weeks in a row. Whoop whoop. Anyway, I am starting off in the kitchen today. I'm going to clean the den, do some vacuuming, maybe a load or two of laundry. I don't remember because I edited this video a while ago also, just like last week's video. And then also I am going to maybe straighten up the living room. I think I saw that in some of the clips. And my bedroom. So it's not quite a whole house clean with me because I don't clean the guest bedroom, which is my daughter's room, and I don't clean my granddaughter's room because, well, when I recorded this video she was here, but right now she's in Florida seeing her dad. So I don't know, I don't clean her room anyway, she cleans it. She's almost 14.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and
I've been sitting here this Saturday afternoon editing all of my old videos. I guess technically doing voiceovers for my old videos because they were already edited. So when I'm watching them through, it's been a surprise for me to see what's in them because I don't remember. These were back in April and May. So while I'm sitting here watching other people do their cleaning videos, I'm watching mine because I'm editing and doing voiceovers. And I just want to know what your favorite part of cleaning videos are. My favorite part is 1, watching people load the dishwasher, and 2, vacuuming. I'm not a big fan of hand washing dishes myself. I don't mind watching other people do it. Actually, my favorite dishwasher is Amanda from This Crazy Life. I love her dishwashing montage videos, slow-mos with water and all that cool stuff. Anyway, leave me a comment. Let me know what your favorite part of cleaning videos is.
Another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smell, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar. Like, I don't really mind all the who goes through stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You get my attention. So you would say yeah.
I went and searched the internet to find the image that you see on the screen that has the little audio symbol to let you know that there's, I guess, background noise, ASMR, whatever going on so that you can turn your sound up if it's not on. I don't know if you want to hear that kind of stuff or not. But anyway, what I was thinking about was my old videos. When I very first started YouTube a couple of years ago, I didn't know how to turn the background noise off. So I would turn the audio down and then I would turn the music up. Now I know how to do it, but of course it's intentional when you leave it on. So I just thought that that was funny. Now everybody does it on purpose, but back then I was doing it because I didn't know how to not do it.
Told you I could never let you go. I'm not so sure you believe me, but if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, 'cause you don't see the
6 years ago when I moved into this house, we remodeled it before I moved in. So I got to choose the flooring, the paint colors, the sink, the granite, that sort of thing. We left the original cabinets and just painted those, but we replaced a lot of stuff that was like just aged, including the kitchen sink, which had the 2 sides, like I guess a normal kitchen sink. But ever since I've had this kitchen sink, anytime I use a sink that has 2 sides now, I'm like, how do you even wash dishes in this tiny little basin? Having one great big huge hole to wash your dishes is so fantastic. So if you're remodeling your house and you have the opportunity to choose a sink, pick a big one. Does anyone else slave over the hot stove making meals for their family? Save all the leftovers and then nobody bothers eating it? Yeah, me too.
I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe, 'cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here.
Probably my favorite part of this whole house is the kitchen counters, the granite. It's such a beautiful gray and beige and white combination. I know it looks more beige in here with the lighting and on this video, but it actually is more gray than it is beige. And I just love cleaning it when the counters are nice and clean and beautiful. I just love walking into my kitchen and seeing a nice pretty counter, except not when it's dirty like this. This is gross.
Hey, say it out loud, spill the truth. Tell me how I'm gonna get close to you. Yeah, high and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you
I just got this new chair cover here and I use pool noodles to stick in the cracks to hold it in place. Now, RIP to this chair cover because my daughter's dog chewed a hole in the side of it to get to the arm of the chair. So I had to buy another one, which I'm not replacing until my daughter and her dog are no longer staying here because her dog is a puppy. I don't blame the dog. I mean, you know, she needs a little more supervision than we actually give her, so that's why she tears up the arm of the chair and the blankets and the rug and whatnot. So, you know, I don't leave anything I actually care about in this room with her, but pool noodles are an excellent way to keep the chair cover in place.
how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Dance on the beat. I don't want no excuses. You keep me feeling so clueless. I'd like to dream. Keep on dreaming about us, baby.
I inserted a little clip here so you could see how filthy my floors actually are. This is a door that the dogs go in and out pretty frequently throughout the day. Sometimes I leave the door open when it's not 105 degrees out, but they come in and out, and of course with 3 dogs there's dog hair and grass, and this floor gets pretty dirty. But because of the kind of floor, you know, like the variation in colors, it's really good at hiding how filthy it really is. When I first got this round table, I searched high and low to try and find like a little tray or something to put on this table, and ended up using the one that I made out of Dollar Tree products, I guess. I just used like the twine and a pizza tray and shower curtain hooks to make this tray, and actually really like it a lot.
It's easy to speak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans, but in my 24 inches heels. I'm not pretending I'm born like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. You're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
While I'm putting away the toilet paper in this very disorganized closet, I noticed that there's some marks on the black doors, because if you saw my video from back in November, you know I did not sand and properly paint these doors, so it gets these little marks on them very, very easily. So until I am able to repaint them properly, which I have already done and filmed, I just haven't edited and posted it yet, I use these little Sharpie pins to fix any tiny little imperfections on my doors so that you can't see the white paint through the black door paint.
Mad woman, keep calling me a mad woman. Boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. For sure, so cold, but we're always coming back for more. Egos in this wicked game, it's all for sure. Oh, I've got you. If we figured out what it's all about, takes a second and then we're back it again. Coaster ride for the triggered minds, but I don't ever want us to stop it. Go ahead, let me smile for all I care. Just wanna stay close, don't take that. Ain't gonna leave ya. I don't wanna sabotage. You're a million. Explode every time you go and slam the door. Adore how we always end up on the floor. We know how to push the buttons to the core. I've got you. If we think
I don't know why I put this in the video, but if you've visited my page in the past, you know I do like nail art and stuff like that, which you can't tell from my nails today. But anyway, I got this really cool PR package from China Glaze for the Jurassic World movie and had all of these really cool nail polish in them. I just thought it was cool. I guess that's why I put it in the video.
wanna stay close, don't take that. Ain't gonna leave ya. I don't wanna sabotage.
If you've made it this far in the video, I want to say thank you so very much. It really helps my channel out a lot when you watch till the end. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so, and stay tuned for next week's video, which is going to be my door repainting, finishing, doing it the right way video. See you next week.